Hi, today we are going to learn about converting millimeters to centimeters and vice versa. Now, what are millimeters and centimeters? is the shorthand for millimeter and cm is the shorthand for centimeter. and cm are both used to measure lengths. Is the smallest unit used to measure length. For example, the length of tip of a pencil is 1 millimeter. The width of a stapler is 1 centimeter. Now converting between centimeter and millimeter. We know that 1 centimeter is equal to 10 millimeters. A centimeter is the same as 10 millimeters. Next is centimeters to millimeters. To convert centimeters to millimeters, we multiply by 10. For example, if we have to change 8 centimeter into millimeter, so to change 8 centimeter into millimeter, we'll multiply 8 by 10. Therefore, 8 centimeters is equal to 8 times 10 millimeters, which is equal to 80 millimeters. Next is converting millimeters to centimeters. Now to convert millimeters to centimeters, we divide by 10. For example, if we have to convert 30 millimeters to centimeters, so what we'll do is we'll divide 30 millimeters by 10. So 30 millimeters is equal to 30 divided by 10 centimeters, which is equal to 3 centimeters. Next is converting centimeters and millimeters into centimeters only. Convert 5 centimeters and 6 millimeters into centimeters only. We know that 1 millimeter is equal to 1/10 of a centimeter. Therefore, 6 millimeters would equal to 6/10 of a centimeter, or we can write it as 0.6 centimeter. Therefore, 5 centimeters and 6 millimeters would equal to 5.6 centimeters. Next is converting centimeters and millimeters into millimeters only. Here we have to convert 7 centimeters, 13 millimeters into millimeters only. To convert centimeters and millimeters into millimeters only, we can convert centimeters into millimeters and then add them together. So 7 centimeter would equal to 7 times 10 millimeters, which is equal to 70 millimeters. So 7 centimeter 13 millimeters would equal to 70 millimeters added to 13 millimeters, which would give us 83 millimeters. Now let's try a question. Compare the following using less than, greater than, or equal to sign. The length of a sheet A is 15 centimeters and sheet B is 13 centimeters and 22 millimeters. Therefore, the length of sheet A is blank that of the length of sheet B. So what we can do is we can convert both the lengths into centimeters or millimeters only. 15 centimeters is equal to 15 times 10 millimeter, which is equal to 150 millimeters. Whereas 13 centimeters 22 millimeters would equal to 13 times 10 millimeters added to 22 millimeters, which is 130 added to 22. And the final answer would be 152 millimeters. Therefore, we can say that the length of sheet A is less than the length of sheet B.